We are going to do Kapalbhati. Nowadays, due to our busy lives, we breathe only to our chest. But now, we have to breathe to the abdomen like a baby. You must have observed a sleeping baby. The stomach of the baby blows like a balloon. Now you have to breathe like a baby. In Kapalbhati, we inhale to the abdomen and exhale forcefully. So you have to pull out the air from your abdomen by contracting the abdomen with force and at the same time pushing the air from the nose. Nose should make a little sound while practicing this pranayama. So get ready. Sit on your mat. Keep your spine erect. If you want, you can sit in Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Now keep both hands in chin mudra. The tip of your thumb and index finger is together. Keep them on your knees, facing towards the sky, so the energy that is created flows through your body. Inhale deeply and we begin. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. First round of retention. Inhale. Hold your breath in the abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale completely. Second round of Kapalbhati. Inhale and exhale, exhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Now second round of retention. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Third round of Kapalbhati. Inhale and we begin. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Third round of retention. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Breathe normally. This was Kapalbhati. It is beneficial to do Kapalbhati in the morning. Women on their period should avoid doing this as it creates pressure in the abdomen. So it is better to do it on any other normal day. And that's it. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.